This is a big room when there's nothing in it. Took out all the appliances. I did not empty the refrigerator. And I took this sheet of drywall out and just screamed and grunted and pulled it through. Today, we start the restoration, hopefully the restoration of the red oak flooring that is underneath all of these other layers of flooring. Now, I've had so many questions over the last few weeks, confused that they didn't understand that there's hardwood floor. Look, yes, wall-to-wall hardwood floor was installed in this house. I don't know if it's ever been finished. From day one, they may have just put like a layer of asbestos down and called it good. Before we get started, I want to show you my new tool. I'm addicted to buying tools on Amazon. So I was watching this YouTube channel called the Roofer Twins. And they make these sheet metal something or other chimney caps. And they were using something like, well, they were using this tool as their snips to cut things. And I'm like, what in the heck are they doing? What is that tool? I zoomed in on it. I said, that is the neatest thing ever. Tin snips. If you guys ever use tin snips that are your traditional ones, you know, it's going down this way, your hands going through it. Well, this one here, this one is designed to be used with your right hand, and it makes circles in a certain direction. I can't remember which one it is. But these are my new tin snips. I'll put a link in the description to my new tool. Now, this might not be very interesting to a lot of people, but I like working on old houses, and I love trying to figure out what came first. So you can see the other flooring, and I think it's tiles. Not like ceramic tiles, but like these little square sticky down things. That went down first, then the baseboard. Then this went down, and then the quarter round went down. These are the nails that are holding that plywood down. Oh, what the hell is saw cut? Is that seam? Oh, get to that part. Oh, glue. Ah, see glue. Can you see the whole pile here? Oh, nothing like that. This is what is this fabric stuff here? It smells very funky. Well, that looks good. It's pretty light. Yeah. So why did I switch to a respirator? Because I'm no dummy. And why did I switch to this bad boy? Well, I'm going gentle, and obviously you guys can see there's going to take a significant amount of work in sanding this down. There it is. So there's a freaking hole right there. And these base cabinets are supposed to come out to here. So this hole will get covered up. And this hole here, well, you'll just have to wait to see what I do with this hole here. So this right here, this smooth stuff, is the first layer. But so far, look how tight these joints are. That's looking real good. It's another tight joint, especially for this old hardwood floor. And as I said earlier, I think they polyurethaned over this before they put this down. And this might be part of this. I'm not sure. But it's actually coming up quite easy. I should have this done, I guess, in 2 hours. If you guys aren't on Instagram, you are missing out, because Instagram gets to see all this first. The comments are going like crazy. Apparently this is real linoleum, reports one Instagram follower. A real deal. Linoleum. Old school. So I'm just kind of prying this up here, and it's slowly pulling itself up. Nails are pulling out. Really not that hard. I do grunt and groan a little bit though. This one here can't count, this one I'm gonna go ahead. Here really touch again. Okay. I know there's a lot of concerned women out there. They always ask,
"Oh, handyman, you need to wear gloves."
ladies, I don't need gloves. These are my hands. I'm not even bleeding. I got a little dirt on them, that's it. Just spit on it, rub it in, wipe it on my pants, and I'm ready to go eat dinner. Thank you for watching this episode of the #1 home improvement YouTube channel in the world. You're gonna have to hit that subscribe button and click that bell to be notified when the next episode comes out to see what I do with this giant black mess. Phew. If you have any suggestions, please put them in the comment section below. I think we're gonna do some boner footage until the battery dies. It's blinking at me, so who knows? Maybe you get to watch me tear the rest of this bit out. What I do is I go slow to let those nails pull out, let that adhesive give way so that it doesn't rip apart on me and turn into a bunch of splinters. Just go nice and slow.